金さんの車の隣、うわー、綺麗な色じゃない。これ紫だよ。
Purple.
This is a beautiful color.
Yeah.
紫のアサンニスカイライン。Nice car, bro. Great color. Really nice.
Thanks, man.
We haven't seen this car around before. Is this new?
That is since probably 2017.
No way.
Oh, wow.
You're
So-
one of the early adopters, huh? Right here.
Sure.
Damn nice color. Is this a midnight purple too on a 32?
Sure, it's the opening series on color code.
Nice, bro. I love it. Look at this car. Gojira, Gojira. Kake. We're gonna do one walk around it real quick.
No problem, man.
いいね。金さん、これはやっぱり紫がいいんだよ。ああ、サベージ32、32のサベージってもうなんて恐竜みたいなっていう意味なんでかっこいいよ。ここに何がトラスト企画、ドリフティングドーナツ、サベージ、これだサベージ。アップガレージもあるし、ナイトスタイルのキルユアセルフ。わあ、すごいの書いてあるよね。Man, you got the sticker game going. You got the color game going. I love it, man. Awesome car right there, bro. Thumbs up, brother. We got to get you pulling out with this thing. He even got some. 日本円もここにある。日本円もここにある1000円札が。ほら。I love it. Some Japanese money just in case you hit a toll road, huh? Nice. あ、ミッドナイトのステッカーまで。ミッドナイトのステッカーもある。Nice. See you, man. かっけー。次から次に車が出てくる日本車が。これは紫のスカイライン。ラッピングだろうと思うんだけど、ホイールド、うわー、気分いい、可愛いところ見つかったね。いいね、これは。わー。Look at the hard steering wheel. すげえ。かわいい。祭りのスティーリングのハンドルにハートマークの形になっている、こう祭りって書いてあるバリバリアジアンナゲッツ。すげえな。すんげえステッカーもあるしな。これ訳すことは難しいと思う。ランプとあれはまたすんげえスタイルじゃない。これは誰が Have you ever seen this car before?
I don't think so.
すんげえオーナーさんは誰なんだろう。会いたいなと思う。I wanna meet the owner, man. でこのスカイラインに今度もう一台のこれは A33 の方のスカイライン。これは4枚のスカイラインで一緒に走ってるのかな。なんか枕の可愛いのが積んであるのと、この紫の車もそうだし、すごいよ。どこから来たんだろう、こんな日本車が。すごいよな。すんげえ車発見したし、おそらくこの色だと女性のオーナーさんだろうなと思ってちょっと調べてみたらホリーさんが出てきたんで、Holly, I'm Steve.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You have probably of all these 700-800 cars here today, probably according to me and my ranking scale, number one car
Thanks.
here today. It is awesome. The purple R32 Nissan Skyline. Female owner, just perfect. You even had the haircut to match the
I
color
know, I
of it,
did,
right?
Yeah, I did.
How long have you had this car?
I had it since last November.
So you've had it for not quite a year.
Not quite a year, almost.
And you bought it here?
I did, correct.
And were you looking for a Skyline?
No, I was actually planning to buy a 370Z.
Okay.
So I had hella money saved up for that
Yeah.
car, and then they like came across to me in a Chick-fil-A line.
You were in a Chick-fil-A line and you saw this car?
My friend was, he sent it to me. He was like, oh, look at this nice car. And I was like, oh, that's cool. And he was like, he told me he was selling it. And I was like, well, I guess I'm going to steal it from you. So.
Dude, you scored. Was it purple already like this?
No, it was wrapped like the nice, iconic, like royal blue color.
Yeah.
So,
the Bayside blue.
Yeah.
But you went with the purple.
I did.
The
So
wrap.
I took it off and it's actually paint.
You painted it.
This is paint, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
The glitter. I love the metallic. But what I love more than anything about your car are the details you've done. This
To my
stuff in
lights.
here. I love the lights. I love the license plate. Of course, the classic auto things are, but the sakura, you know, your cherry blossom plate. You got the nice exhaust. You got the big tip. All the detail. The purple color. The drive fast ass. I mean, what more can you say, right, Kim?
Yeah.
I mean, what motto do we live by, right? It's these deals,
Yeah,
drive
exactly.
fast and eat ass.
Yeah, there you go.
That's it.
I'm a big Louis fan, so what can I say?
I love. Can we walk around your car a little bit, because I was looking the wide body. I mean, it's a wide body.
Yeah.
Dude, she's got a wide body on this thing. The interior, can you open it up?
I can't.
The fur on the dash, Oh, you had an original red car.
I did.
It was red. Okay, kind of like the kid's car was at one point. But look, this says, do you know what it says on the center of your steering wheel?
I don't actually.
Matsuri. Matsuri is a festival.
Oh,
That means
cool.
festival. So Matsuri, the heart steering wheel, the big shifter, the bird that. Holly, you have an awesome car.
Thank you.
And it's not about being the cleanest, about being the fanciest, certainly not about being the most expensive. It's about it being you. And it's, you nailed it.
Yeah, I definitely wanted to stand out with the lavender color, so.
You do stand out. I bet you people notice when you drive this
I
car
do,
around.
yep.
don't
I
they?
get a lot of attention for it.
I bet. Can we go for riding it one day?
Yeah, we can for sure.
Not
I'll be
today,
down
but we'll have
for
to do a
it.
rain check.
Yeah,
but
we can. I'll be down for it.
Big thumbs up to you
Thank
and your whole
you.
crew of JDM friends that you got here. Is this part of your crew too?
Yeah, he is actually.
This is his car?
The one in the Nike shirt.
The guy that I shirt. Is that your car, the 33?
Oh, no, that's the Fima.
Oh, that guy.
Fima!
Wave high.
Fima!
Oh, wave high. We just were looking at your car. Nice wheels. Nice car. もっと女性のオーナーがどんどん増えてるね。日本車が増えてるだけじゃなくて女性のオーナーが増えてるっていうのもさらにすごい。カスリンちゃん、ホリーちゃん、あの子もいっぱいいるんだよね。Kim, is there not more and more, not only JDM cars showing up, but more and more girls,
Yes.
women,
Yes.
female drivers, and
More
owners
and
of these
more
cars?
every time.
Have you noticed that?
Yes, a lot of people don't expect me to drive it, especially when it was blue. I got a lot of attention because it was for a female driver.
Was this your first right-hand drive car?
Yes, and actually my first manual car.
Wow!
I drive this car.
That's been happening a lot here lately.
Yes.
Rock on.
That is awesome. We're going for a ride one day. You're going to
Yeah,
drive me around.
definitely.
Great meeting you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Kim, this was an awesome day, huh?
This was fantastic.
But I am now officially dehydrated and starving.
Me too.
It's always good.
What do you think? Let's go drink some
Yep.
water. Let's cool down. Thumbs up. Have a great day, Holly.
Thank you. Enjoy my car.
Thank you. Andy は今ナンパしているのかな？ Andy は彼女に怒られると。
Well, I did that.
Andy, you're gonna get her fired, man. You're gonna get her fired. Don't do it. Kim-san, what's for breakfast? Gyro. Oh, you did a gyro. You like I did. My favorite. Gyro, これが美味しい. Andy, oh, of course, avocado Andy. There we go. Avocado Andy. Very nice. Andy さん、食べる前になんて言うの？いただきます。Kim さんは？いただきます。食べましょう。そして隣にスティーブ・テキセンのファンもいました。What was your name again? Daniel. Daniel, nice to meet you, man. Hope you have a good day. See you at some car shows. Thumbs up, bro. TV.